Ready? Yep.
No, my only goal is to see when I'm only fast asleep. It takes more than strength to find this peace of mind, so I'll hold it close to my heart, beating with every step. Hold it close. He sleeps alone, he needs no army where he said it, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts and they can't hurt him if he can't see them. Oh, and I may go to places I've never been to just to find the deepest desires in my mind. We only know what we see, 'cause we're always fast asleep. Is it so hard not to believe that we'll never know? Oh, hold me close. I've never been this far from home. Hold me close. He sleeps alone, he needs no army where he said it, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts and they can't hurt him if he can't see them. Oh, and I may go to places I've never been to just to find the deepest desires in my mind. It's in my head, and I have said that I must be like him now. He sleeps alone, he sleeps alone. One last chance to make sense of what his long escape does. He sleeps alone, I sleep alone. He sleeps alone, he needs no army where he said it, 'cause he knows that they're just ghosts and they can't hurt him if he can't see them. Oh, and I don't know if in the morning I will be here, and if so, let it be known that I was worthy, I was worthy, I was worthy, I was.
I mean, Brazil has been very kind to us always, and I think it's a shame that we don't get to come here as much as we would like. But just whenever we come, it's amazing. Our first show 2 nights ago in Rio was totally overwhelming. You know the amount of people that showed up and just wanted to have a good time with us.
Step up your game to make it to the top, so go. You got a little competition now, you gotta find out how to cope with living on your own. Let's make this happen, girl. We're gonna shoot it, well, it's something that can work, and it can work for you, and you know that it will. Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up, it's been a lot to change, but you, well, I was good with you. only going up, just one thing then another, you know. And it took a little time to make a little better. It's only going up, just one thing then another, you know. Let's make this happen, girl. We're gonna shoot it, well, it's something that can work and it can work for you. And you know that it will. Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up and moving up. It's been a lot to change, but it's you. Well, I was what you want. Girl, we're gonna shoot the will, it's something that can work and it can work for you. And you know that it will. Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up and moving up. It's been a lot to change, but you will always get what you want.
Coming home is very strange for us now, I think, because we spend more time away than we do at our own houses. And I mean, Sam doesn't even have a house yet, and you know, we kind of, now being at home in your own bed, or you know, seeing your friends in your hometown or whatever, is very abnormal to us now. So it's really nice, but we're kind of used to the really fast pace of being on tour, and then we kind of come home and we have nothing to do for a week, and there's like nothing in the schedule, and then you kind of send emails like, you know, can we do something today, because
it's what I want to do. I am leaving, and this is starting to feel like it's right before my eyes, and I can taste it. It's my sweet beginning, and I can tell just what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone.
I was listening to, I like that new Justin Timberlake song, the Mirror one. Didn't like the first single he brought out, but I like that Mirror song. I like that Boomerang song. I hated it the first time I heard it, and I really like it. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Just 2 songs.
I love that will.i.am Britney Spears song.
Yeah.
I don't know where I am going to rest my head tonight, so I won't promise that I'll speak to you today. But if I